Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis over on Micron Technology, ticker MU. So to get straight into it, we have gapped up around 8% on the day. Now why is this? So this is off a fundamental reason. Going over to Samsung, so memory chip production cuts. So that's firstly kind of why Micron is moving from a fundamental standpoint. Now, what are those key support and resistances from a technical standpoint using standard deviation channels? So right now, again, we're sitting around $63. We have just broken out of this 61 to kind of 59.85. So again, that's where we opened. And that's kind of why we gapped to this level. And we can kind of see how it actually acted in the pre-market. I haven't yet checked this. So again, kind of broke through this. We came back to test it as a support. Again, this is what we always talk about. Come back. If you break a level, you're coming back to test it as a support. If it can hold, then again, you expect that continuation and the trend until that next level. And in our case, what is that next deviation level? And in this case, it's going to be around $65 to $66. Again, that's going to be the second deviation on both the 6-month and the 1 year. So as of right now, again, more likely than not, Micron will continue to push to $65. So that'd be a target. And then again, when we're coming into this level, we are becoming a bit more overbought. We are at those second deviations. So potentially here, again, looking to play a pullback at the minimum, but here we could definitely be coming into a reversal level. And so it's definitely something I'll be looking out at playing myself. Probably just through some outright puts. Just trying to kind of play maybe a $65 pullback to around 61 as kind of a more of a short-term trade. And the reason I say short-term is, again, right now technology has been a bit more on a tear, so I don't want to go against the overall trend, even if it is kind of just as a temporary thing. So play a pullback. But I probably won't play it as an overall reversal to statistical mean of $57. Now, if we do break that, we do have further resistances at $69, $72, and final levels taking us to $73 and $78. So those are those key resistances if we can continue this strong uptrend again. Depending if technology is going to be watching more the sector. If technology stays strong, Micron is likely to follow. Again, be watching a bit of Bitcoin, because they do tend to trade quite similarly to Bitcoin for some reason. Or it might be because they have the big holding. I think that's Micron Technology who has a big holding on it. So it's probably why they do trade. If Bitcoin does a big move, you'll tend to see Micron follow. So those are those key resistances. Now onto the key supports. So we do have 57 and 53. This is considered statistical mean. This is considered fair value. So if I'm trading a stock, I don't want to be buying or selling this area. But what I will do is use it as a target. For example, the $65, if I look to short here and I look to play an overall reversal, $57 will kind of be that final target. Now, if we can break out of this statistical mean, again, we do have that kind of first deviation around 53, but again, you're not going to get a good risk to reward on something like that, so I would just be avoiding that level and waiting for $49 as that first support. If we break lower, $47.50, $45.30, and then $41.50. As of right now, though, again, I think that the resistance is going to be more the key focus, so that's kind of what I'll be paying more attention to. But again, I don't really make too much bias in a market. I'll have my alerts either way. If it comes into a level which provides opportunity, I will trade that, whether that's short or long bias. So anyway, that is the breakdown on Micron. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe? Let me know if you're either holding or looking to trade Micron. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, why not check out another video here.